this is your website. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I am being trained in website design and I want to show you a website that you might like. Okay, this is the website. My boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or more for a website like this. I would add your photos in this gallery link on this link. Too slow. Okay. And also your contact details on this link together with the map on the side. And if you have any other information about the services that you're offering, you can also add it here on this link, but it's too slow. Anyway, so this is the link for the services and also about there and also about the company. You can also add your company profile on this link. Now, if this website would be good for you, please do me a favor and hit the reply. Let me know. If not, no big deal. I forgot to mention my name is Julie, and I am working at Asian Boomer Marketing and Rentier. Talk to you soon. Thank you.